This is a 2016 Range Rover. Does not run. I did have it started for a second, but it does not sound very good. So I'm going to do a relative compression test. I think the timing chain is out. Seems like when it's cranking half speed. Well, it sounds like it's half speed because I think only one side is firing. Battery was flat, of course, but right here I kind of have... I forgot my double-sided tape. I'm at some other shop here, and I got a inductive probe over there, so I'm kind of having it wedged against the coil there. This is number 4 for my sink. My 2000 amp clamp around the terminal there. Sounds bad. Okay, hopefully it worked. Did not. Wonderful. I want to use Pico 7 for now. Something's not right here. I got it set up. I got 1000 amps on here. It should be less than that. I have my probe set up. I got 2 seconds per division, 10% trigger there. And here we go. And snow dropped right down right on my screen. Can't make this stuff up. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully I get it to work. Okay. Sounds gnarly. Oh yeah. Yikes. That did not work. Fart. Let's try it again. Oh look, it's running. That's weird. Shouldn't be doing that. This shouldn't be running. Whew, it stinks. There it goes, it's going to die out. I have no idea what's going on right now. Ooh, this sounds bad. Ooh. Oh, my phone's going to get messed up here. Sounds really bad. I'm on the control wire. Hopefully that ground's sufficient. Why do I got nothing? Well, since I've been having technical difficulties, decided to go the old school way. Alright, I checked and I have, oddly enough, no misfire codes. It's got a crankshaft sensor code. One of the cams is like 35 degrees out, according to this. It's weird, I have no misfires counting up. Alright, why that's so weird? I have this whole bank disconnected. Okay, so the coils are completely disconnected on this bank. It's just as I thought. It's only cranking, you know, half the thing, and the firing order is 142536. So 142536. It's only running on half of an engine. It still revs though, which is weird. I already know it's got a mechanical problem because of the way it sounds, and the whole bank is down. I don't know if you can hear that knocking. I don't know if I trust any of these numbers. We got here actual intake cam position. Sounds like it's about to stall a little bit. see what we got here. Doesn't even tell me anything here. Let's see. Camshaft. I guess that's B. That's at 35 degrees. Exhaust is at -6. -0.6, I'm sorry. Intake is at 35.3. I really want to get a relative compression test on this. Oh, really? Nothing but problems. That's all I get. Are you gonna like work here or what? No. Oh, come on, man. Very frustrating when you have technical issues. 10-minute job becomes a 2-hour job. Why? That's just how it is for me. Oh, it's not running again. How bizarre. I'm just going to disconnect the ignition coils. I got the bank one side already disconnected. Is everything bad? My cable's bad. I'll see if I can get this to work. Yeah, I got all the coils disconnected. Ooh. All right. Finally. I need to save this. It looks the same all the way through here. Right? Looks like a good waveform, doesn't it? Let's zoom in. Let's put 3 spark events up on there. Okay. Get this damn thing out of the way. Right here is number 4, right? What is it? 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. So 1 is, so this is 1. There's number 4, it's missing. 2, 5 missing. 3, 6 is missing. It's definitely got major mechanical failure. This engine's got to come apart. Timing chain is probably messed up. I don't know if this is an interference motor. There you go. I should start a series of check your equipment series because all my equipment's faulty.